Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the power and volume flex on the Google Pixel 4 XL mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and follow with the back cover removal. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic card pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While removing the back cover, be gentle. The flash sensor plugs connects with the back cover. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 4 screws to undo the battery plug. Next, take out the sensor bracket by undoing 2 screws. Please note one screw is missing from our device. And then disconnect the plug to release the back cover from the body. Next, take out the battery from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. Next, take out the left bracket on the board by undoing 3 screws. Next, take out the right upper bracket by undoing 3 screws. Next, disconnect 4 connector plugs and 2 antenna heads from the board. Next, eject the SIM tray. Next, take out the right center bracket by undoing 4 screws. Next, undo one more screw on the top left. Next, disconnect the board's bottom antenna head and 4 center connector plugs. Next, gently pull out the board from the body. Please do not forget to disconnect the power and volume flex button from the board. Next, gently lift the board while moving cables. Take out the logic board and then gently pry the power and volume cable. And then release 2 screws on the cable bracket. Next, take out the not working power and volume flex cable with the bracket. For the replacement, you can select the flex cable with the bracket or only the flex cable. If the selection is only the flex cable, pry the line from the bracket and then place the new flex cable on the bracket with adhesive. Next, place the new power and volume flex cable with the bracket on the frame. Next, secure the flex cable by adding 2 screws. Next, place and secure the power flex cable on the body. Next, place and secure the logic board by moving cables aside. Next, secure 9 plugs, 3 antenna heads and the SIM tray into the board. Next, secure the screw on the board. Next, place the right center bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, place the upper right bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, place the left bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, place and secure the battery with adhesive. Next, connect the back cover sensor flex to the board. And then place the bracket by adding 2 screws. Once again, our device has 1 screw, but yours should have 2. Next, secure the battery plug. And then place the bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.